Hello kids, it's Mr. Agee here, and for your word study today for Thursday, October 8th, we are going to do a vowel sort. So you're going to need your word study notebook for this. We've been studying short vowels and long vowels, and this week in particular, the videos have been focused on long vowels. So now we're going to put it into practice a little bit, and so in your word study notebook, you're going to want to have this title here, vowel. We'll call it a short vowel, long vowel sort. So we've got your job is to create a chart like this that has, it's like a T-chart. So you put this line down the center of your paper. On the left side, you have short vowels, and on the right side, you have long vowels. Now, these are your words that you have to sort. So the words are skate, bag, crab, frame, map, snake, five, net, lips, fire, nose, top, clock, mop, hose, road, boat, and box. So you have to decide in each one of these words if it belongs on the short vowel side or the long vowel side. So you're going to be practicing recognizing which words have short vowels and which words have long vowels. And just a quick review, the short vowel sounds are A says ah, E says eh, I says I, O says ah, and U says Now the long vowels is when the vowel says its name. So A says A, E says E, I says I, O says O, and U has two long sounds, oo and u. In this example here, there are no u words, but so your job is going to be to write all of these words in your word study notebook and sort them into a list of short vowels and a list of long vowels. Good luck and have fun. If you need to go back and watch some of the videos from earlier in the week to kind of shore up your knowledge of long vowels and short vowels, feel free to do that. Good luck.